Here's the recipe for my moist chocolate chip banana bread. If you hate the word moist, get over it. It's 2021, we're past that. Throw in a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, then I throw in 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, which is the secret to moist banana bread. Now this is a very essential part of the process. You want to mix all these ingredients together for 5 minutes. I recommend using a hand or stand mixer. I don't have one, so I'm using a whisk, and just a quick warning, if you're using a whisk, be prepared for an intense arm workout. Once combined, it should look something like this. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and mix together. Throw in 1½ cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and mix it together. Then I mash up 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better, because as the starch from the banana breaks down into sugar, the banana tastes sweeter, which essentially makes for a sweeter banana bread. Add in 1/2 cup of semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. Mix that into the batter. Throw the batter into a greased loaf pan. Top with more chocolate chips. Then I slam it on my counter to get rid of any air bubbles. Throw it into a 350-degree oven for an hour, and here's your banana bread.